morning, everybody. This is Michelle with Creative Operation and Country Craft Creations. Hey, you guys, I have a design team haul I have got to share with you. I just received this today and it is so cute. I've already got one project already in my brain for what this is. Oh my gosh, you guys are going to love it. So as you know, Country Craft Creations is celebrating their 10th birthday and we are doing lots of birthday themes, and they have this new birthday paper that is absolutely exquisite and I cannot wait to show it to you. It is so gorgeous. I'm so excited I got it. So like I said, I received this today. I'm going to go through what I received and then I'm going to get busy working on tutorials because I am super excited about this. So first off, this is birthday, and this is a Country Craft Creations exclusive paper collection you are going to absolutely love. I also got these goodies to go with it, and then I also have some cardstock I want to share with you after that. So let's go through here real quick. So first of all, I got this beautiful double-sided satin ribbon that is absolutely gorgeous, and this is Parrot green and light blue, and look how perfect this goes with this paper collection. It's going to be absolutely gorgeous. So I got quite a little bit of this. I think I got like 3 yards of it, and yeah, I'm sure I got about 3 yards of it, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. I love that. It's going to be so pretty with this paper. I also received this beautiful lace. Look at this. I got I think maybe 2 yards of this, and this is called Charlotte's Lace. Look how pretty that is. That's going to be gorgeous in this album as well. So I'm super excited about that. Lace and ribbon, you got to have that in your albums, right? For other embellishments, I did receive the Spellbinders Fashion Oysters. So these are their nice little pearl dots that are adhesive, and I've got 2 different, well actually, there's 1, 2, 4 different sizes in here. There's 120 of them all together. So this is going to be really fun. And I already have an idea for using these. I think that might turn out really cool. So yeah, 4 sizes, 3mm through 6mm. Lots in this package. So I haven't used, I don't believe, these Spellbinder ones before. So I'm excited to try those out. Then I also got Doodlebug boutique buttons, and look at the color and the shapes of these things. I mean, again, how gorgeous are these going to be with this paper? I mean, seriously, just beautiful. So let's talk about the paper. So the paper comes with all of these different designs. You get 3 per sheet, except for the cut-aparts. You get 2 of the cut-aparts. I'm going to show you those in a second. I mean, but the colors are absolutely stunning. I just love the vintage feel of this. And it's going to be appropriate for kids. And then you also have this image here of this older lady, and you could use this for, you know, any year birthday that you absolutely wanted. So here are the cut-aparts. You do get 2 sheets of this, which I think are very awesome. You can run this through like your scan and cut, do that, or they're very easy to fussy cut by hand, which is what I tend to normally do. So yeah, just gorgeous. I mean, look, happy birthday, wishing you a happy birthday in a year that's blessed. Here's a birthday telegram. Look at that. Is that not the cutest thing ever? I mean, and this woman, she's gorgeous, and the kids are absolutely stunning. And look at the TV. I just think that's hilarious. The cakes are gorgeous with all the cherries and the berries and everything on them. Just super sweet. So you get 2 of these. On the back, you have this beautiful candle paper, which I think is absolutely gorgeous. So you could use 1 for your cut-aparts, and then you can use 1 for your candle paper as well. So then you get another sheet of cut-aparts. Now this one has some 4x6, some 3x4, and then you have some border strips down here. So you have presents, you have the numbers, and then you have some images are vertical and then some are horizontal. So look at that. Another year older, another year better. I like that. That's really cool. And then you got the presents. I just think this is just beautiful paper. On the back of this, so again, you get 2 of these, so you get this kind of starburst thing on the back, so you can use this on something, and then you can have a page for your cut-aparts. I love it. Just absolutely think it's gorgeous. Here's a happy birthday page. Now this is beautiful. This would be really good using as a layout for an album, I think, and I just think she's really pretty. So candles again, and then you have your confetti on the back. Then you have this page with all of the party hats, pink and blue and green, and then you have this beautiful green pattern on the back. The colors are just fantastic, don't you think? Lots of kind of pastel-y paper. Here's some yellow pops of the balloons in here. On the back you have pink and white stripes. So lots of choices. And look at this. Is that not the sweetest thing ever? Brother giving sister a birthday cupcake. I love it. I just love it. All the beautiful balloons. And you look, they're transparent. You can see right through them to the wallpaper on the back. On the back here you have more of that pattern. That's really pretty. The pop of yellow is gorgeous in this. Then you have another page here. This would be a great layout page as well. You have your numbers up here, your candles. Look, it even has the piece that you pop into the cake on here. I mean, how gorgeous is the detail on this? And then this pattern here. Love that retro feel. Just gorgeous. So this is killing me. I love this page. I don't know if you can see. I'm trying to put it up close. I'm going to stand up to see if you can see it. Look at the berries in the cakes. I mean, the detail is astronomical. The flowers and the candles and everything. This is just beautiful. On the back here, there's a very pale wording back here, like Subway art with happy birthday or happy, 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 happy all over it in different fonts. Isn't that pretty? Not happy birthday. It says happy, happy, happy all over it. This page here is absolutely gorgeous too, because it's a bunch of birthday grams and telegrams for birthdays. And the retro images are just, I just love them. I think that's really adorable. So that page here on the back, you have this retro print back here with the yellow and the green. Super pretty. And then last but not least, this page here is all the presents, and then on the back you have the background here without the presents. So isn't that pretty? So gorgeous, gorgeous papers, and they're going to make a really beautiful project. And I already, like I said, I already have one in mind. I'm also going to, just so you know, if you are going to be working and following my tutorials, I am going to use white Artisan Cardstock. So this is the 87-pound standard cardstock. So I got a package of that to go with this. And then I also am going to work with the new paper that is on the website here. It's called Stardust. This is a 65-pound, and it comes in a 24 pack. You get 8.5 by 11, and it has all those beautiful little specks of color in it that are going to go perfectly with this. It is 65 pounds, so I won't do the construction with this, but this would be amazing for mats, for photos and things like that. So I'm going to be playing with that as well. So that is what I wanted to show you, kind of a quick run through of my design team project, or my design team package, I should say. I got these beautiful things. I got the speckle tone paper that is going to be great. I'm going to be using white Artisan Cardstock as well. I'll put links down below so that if you want to, you can go and purchase this for yourself. And I really appreciate you watching, so stay tuned. I'll be back with tutorials and fun things real soon. Have a great day. Stay crafty. Bye-bye.